Okay, finally this last method for drawing pentagon, not more simple, but if you only have compass and ruler, that means you don't have this one protractor, how can you do a pentagon? So if we don't know degrees, first you should start with a circle. You need to mark your center point. Okay, from that point we will draw a horizontal and vertical line crossing the center. Okay, so first we need horizontal, then we need perpendicular vertical line in the center. Okay, so continue that one. Okay, then we should label this is O, center point A. This will be point A on our pentagon. Z, Y, X. Okay, so first you want to bisect using our compass line OY. Remember, when we bisect, we make the compass more than half the distance. So between OY, we want more than half. Okay, that is more than half. So we arc up, arc down. You can see in my sample. Arc down from O point, arc up. Now we have found center of OY, so we can connect those two. This midpoint, that is point M. Okay, now point M, that is our center. Okay, so we are putting our point in M and we want to go distance to A, so I need to increase the size. Our radius should be up to A. Okay, so put your point in M, make the distance to A, then we will arc down from A to the horizontal line. Okay, once we have reached this point, now we will move our compass point to A and change the distance so it reaches this point. Need to increase a small bit. Okay, now we use this distance and arc out. Now we have our point B. So this distance, that should be the length of each side. So we will arc again this way. That is point F in our pentagon. Can put the compass in B. Arc down, we have point C. Arc once more. We have point D. Now we can connect all of our points. We have 5 points, so we will have 5 sides for that pentagon. Again, this is not the easy method. It's a method only if you have only compass and scale. Okay, so you can do this way without having any degrees or angles. You just have to remember each of those steps. Oops, sorry. I'm connecting wrong points. Don't do that. I need to connect A to F. Sorry. Be careful when you have so many points on your circle. We don't need Y and Z. Now I need to connect F to D. That point should be third line, fourth line, and finally D to C. You can see now we have a pentagon. It should be point E. Okay, so we had our circle, we need horizontal, vertical, then we did bisecting of OY using arc method. We put our point in M. With our compass we arced this distance down, then we put our point in A, change our compass to this length, arc out, then we have B point. Then more arcs you can find E point, D point, C